Guys, welcome to the channel Font Mania. In today's video, we are going to review the Casecandy tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We have already reviewed the best affordable Popio tempered glass screen protector, the ESR tempered glass screen protector, and the Spigen EZ Fit tempered glass screen protector. I will leave the link in the description for these three of them as well as the purchase links. So let's review the Casecandy. So let's see what are we getting in the box. Okay, thank you. Find us on Amazon, casecandy.in and Flipkart. Okay, so welcome stickers, and let's see what is this. Okay, we are getting a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe and dry wipe, and dust removal stickers. And I think this is the same thing. Yeah, this is the same thing. Actually, we are getting two of them, means two screen guards. I can see two of them in the box. So let's take one. So in this Popio screen guard, which is the value for money one, we are not even getting this microfiber cloth, just getting this wet wipe and dry wipe, and along with the dust removal stickers. So let's start off from this guy. So let's take the wet wipe first. This is really small one. So okay, so just completely wipe. So if you have already applied, that means if you already registered the fingerprint, just remove that fingerprint after installing the screen guard. So completely wipe. Make sure you wipe the corners very well, because this is the area which get high chances of what do you call bubbles. Okay, so let me turn off, and now let me use the wet dry wipe. And you can see, and for the ESR as well as the Spigen, we are getting a tool for the alignment. That's the biggest thing which I am missing in the Popio screen guard as well as this one, Casecandy. But regarding the value for money, Popio is okay, but I think Casecandy should give a tool, and that's my personal take on that. So now you can see it's perfectly. And now if you observe any minor dust particle, just take this dust removal sticker like this, and wherever the dust is there, just apply like this and just peel off. And make sure, I would recommend to peel, that means apply on the corners, because this is the area which have high chances of having the dust particles. So wherever you see the dust, just do this. And I would recommend to observe in all the angles that there is any minor dust, all the angles. If it's still fine, okay, I think it's still fine. Yeah, I can see a minor dust over there. So I could see minor. Okay, so now it's almost perfect. So I would recommend turning the phone off. So I think now it's perfect. So now you can see it's perfect. And now the next biggest task. Okay, actually this guy is also having a frame, black frame. So now let's take the screen guard off. Okay, make sure you just pull this tab very gentle. Okay, so now you can see this frame. Just below the frame, just place this black border, so and align like this. Either you can use tools like this for an alignment, and so I have set the top edges, and you can see it's almost done. And now let me just simply apply, okay, and wait. Okay, and now with this microfiber cloth, it's just a push away, you can see, just gonna push and it's completely gone. And over here just a push and you can see it's done, and over here just a push and over one more push, so you can, it's almost perfectly done, no sort of issues. And if you see any issues, just push the bubble to the adjacent side. So if you see an issue over here, just push it to the adjacent side and just wipe it clearly with a press and all. And now I'll show you, and I would say the fitting is nearly perfect. So yeah, no sort of issues. And here we are getting a minus slot as well for this earpiece slot and all, so which is really good. And let me check the touch sensitivity. Okay, so we have already done with the ESR tempered glass screen protector as well as the Spigen. Actually these two of them are getting with the toolbox for the perfect alignment. Actually we missed that toolbox on the Popio as well as the Casecandy. Try it with a case, whether this is case friendly or not. Oh, perfect, no sort of issues. If I just give a press on the sides, still you can see it's perfect. See, so no sort of issues, it's completely case friendly. So but the alignment should be perfect in order to have this case friendly. Now let's check the touch sensitivity. Feels nice. And I'm just going to go to the fingerprints and going to remove the existing ones. Removed. So add new fingerprint, register. Okay, no sort of issues, registering super fast. And always while registering the fingerprint, make sure your phone just lie down like that and just pick up the phone as you normally do and rest the finger where that exactly comes. And on the next, yeah, again pick up the phone. Okay, perfect. Rapid touch, okay, no issues. Rapid touch. Okay, now with the left. Okay, no issues. Now let's check any quality issues for the front camera. Now let me lock. Okay, no issues. Okay, perfect. Now let's check the touch sensitivity as well. Okay, no issues, it's running perfect, no sort of issues. Wow, it's flawless. So screen guard does not bring any issues to the scrolling experience or whatever you're gonna do in your phone. So stunning. So definitely an yes from me in terms of this Casecandy screen protector, but for the value for money I would be again picking this Popio tempered glass screen protector. I will leave the link in the description regarding the installation and the review of this screen guard as well, but actually it does not include this microfiber cloth. That's it. Apart from that, everything is same to same. And these two of them, the major con for these two of them while we comparing with the ESR as well as the Spigen is these two of them does not come with the tool for the perfect alignment. So if you are not that perfect in aligning this screen guard onto the screen, then there might be chance of you can see it can be just below the frame, just on the frame, or just to the right, so just to the left. So always keep your hand like this precision and just apply, and I would prefer like doing like this with a perfect alignment and all. So apart from that, this is great. So I will leave the link for the purchase links of these 4 of them. So that's today, signing off. It's Phone Mania.